In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the audit log on QuickBooks. This is especially useful if you want a detailed view of the history of transactions and activities within your QuickBooks account, giving you insights into changes made, by whom, and when. Let's dive right in. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the navigation menu. You'll want to locate the Reports tab, so go ahead and click on it. This tab gives you access to all sorts of reports that can be critically useful for managing and reviewing your financial activities. It's like your personal toolkit for financial oversight. Now, you'll notice there's a search bar typically positioned at the top or right side of the page. Go ahead and click on this search bar to activate it. This feature is incredibly handy because it enables us to search for specific reports or features directly, saving you time and effort. In the search bar, type in Audit Log. The Audit Log in QuickBooks Online is a particularly powerful tool, as it tracks all activities and changes made within your account. This makes it indispensable for maintaining transparency and accountability in your financial management. Once you have typed in Audit Log, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the option labeled simply as Audit Log and click on it. This will take you directly to the Audit Log page. When you arrive on the Audit Log page, you'll be greeted with a chronological list of all activities that have occurred within your QuickBooks account. This log is like a time capsule, allowing you to browse through and track specific changes or activities. The Audit Log feature is particularly useful for keeping tabs on who has made changes to transactions or accessed certain data, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your financial records. This means you can confidently ensure that your data remains accurate and is only handled by authorized individuals. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to access and review the audit log in QuickBooks Online. Regularly checking your audit log can help you stay on top of any changes and ensure your records are accurate and up to date. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to keep this process handy for future reference. Remember, keeping your financial data secure and well monitored is key to effective financial management. See you in the next video.